Okay, the generator room is currently low. Where is man?
So the generator is not kicking in when no, there's
maybe let me just summarize
let's get
this way. Just get a bit technical and then you can ask questions. In this area, we've got 3 modes that we have. We use this pumping. On normal operations, that's rainwater reservoir. We suck directly from there to the inlet. The pumps are inside. We just need 1 pump. This time is designed to have 2 pumps, 1 duty, 1 standby. When one fails, we run to the other. We pump up there to the tower, which is 34. The top water level is about 35 meters. Feed the area with about 3.5 bars. That is the zone. I don't have much information in terms of the zone, how many houses, but all the houses that are fed in that zone, they depend on this tower. Now, when that cannot happen, as long as that reservoir is out of commission, we will not be able to have a stable supply.
So what causes it to be out of operation?
There's that reservoir, I think it's 1900.
The issue,
so it's got a structural and the foundation and cracks. It just bleeds. So you can put water in there, there won't be water retaining in the water. So it does not, it needs to be out of service. Take a decision whether it's going to be bulldozed down, build a new reservoir, or can it still be lined and sealed? Because remember, that's over 200 megaliters storage that is there. So you can't just put a concrete, and it needs to be really.
If you have 4 generators that solve the problem.
I'll come to that. I'm just giving you an overview of how we operate this. Now, we are getting a line that is fed from another system which supplies clip system. Now, it's not supplying here, but we tap from that line to get a supply from here. It's supplying that reservoir. If you don't have that reservoir above 30-40%, it means there is no pressure on that line. So whatever velocity of water running in that line where they pumping from rainwater side, it's rushing to the downside, which is rushing to the reservoir. We now need to suck water from the pipe that is not full, because it's trying to catch up, because the water will always go to follow gravity. You need that reservoir to have a capacity so it can build pressure back on the line.
So you don't fight gravity.
So we don't fight gravity. Then we can have water here. Now if you have that reservoir below 20%, that reservoir is asking for water. That is now the design of the system. Like the solutions the residents want, I do understand having no water. I don't even want an explanation. I know. I also stayed few days without water whenever we had challenges. I know the frustration.
Who should it blame, you or not?
Blame Johannesburg.
No, but without blaming anything. Let's try.
No, we want to get the root cause so we can get a solution.
Yes.
Yes. So the root cause is Joburg water.
Joburg water. You have to blame Johannesburg water. The residents must blame Johannesburg water because we are the agency of the city.
Okay.
The city is the one that is the authority for water. Then water supplies the city.
So to add to that now, because this one's decommissioned, there hasn't been like an alternative. Except the bypass, that's not working.
This is now what they're doing now. The program to rehabilitate. It's been out towards the end of last year.
Okay.
So that introduced unstable conditions for us.
So we suggested just saying that if we get that bottom reservoir to that level, right? Can we then
this reservoir?
No, the one where we fill it's only at 30%, right?
Okay. Can I explain something? Then water supplies Johannesburg water roughly, let's say, with 1,600 megaliters of water a day. Our retention capacity across rainwater is sitting at 1,900 megaliters, which give us just 29 hours of retention storage annually. But not all those. Some areas will have a retention of 4 hours. But what I'm explaining is that we understand now this is a basic operation. We need to pump to the tower and feed people. Then the second one, the pipe is not full at rainwater. We get 0.3 bars, 0.2 bars coming in. That's very small. It cavitates the pump. So we reduce the frequency, or the RPM of the pump. We bring it to 30 hertz, so that we can balance what, no matter how small is coming in, and still pump without cavitating the pump.
Can we just see the quickly? I've got a breakdown I must go to.
Do we have a keys for this? The supplier now put their own keys.
Now, Google, if I can just come in there. So when that
You talk while we look.
Looking for the keys.
Looking for the key.
We're gonna start. So sorry, Council. When we do this second phase, we're no longer pumping to the tower because there's not enough water to pump to the tower. We pump directly to the community. But before we start the meeting, there's not even a drop of water coming in. When we open the inlet, air comes in. So you can't even pump in that case.
So what's our solution to it?
I've got a suggestion.
When we pump to that tower, even if we have load shedding, residents won't even know because there's water in the tower.
Yeah, 'cause it's
When we have
gravity.
water there,
Yeah.
it keeps the area balanced. So sometimes we focus much on the like the backup power. You can go inside the equipment. Yes, listen. Yes, the problem is bigger than what you expect. It is. Maybe that's the view of us, maybe not all of us. We don't have the generator. But what I wanted to explain about generator.
So if there is working, if there's no water coming in, it's just basically.
This now is out of commission, so we're not using it. But as I was explaining, this is not the pain that causes no water issues. This generator can run when it's on service, but you need the pumps to fill the tower to above 8 meters, load shedding come.
But that's what I said earlier. In order for us to stop blaming you, our councillors should ask for exempt or load shedding for this area until this problem is solved.
We have
Then you won't have to
requested-
use this.
We've requested City Power, they're assessing the network, they will still have to come back to us
Yeah,
because
but
now-
they should come back urgent. We should. I'm telling you now what we do. We've arranged a demonstration here for tonight. We're closing the roads. We've done it before, and when we did it the last time, the next morning we had power, we had water. I think City Power and Joe Water and Red Water, whoever the powers may be, only see a solution when we demonstrate.
That will also help us because we would like to run with normal power.
This is
But
not going to take a day to fix. I
This
think they
is,
do not.
no, this is
This is not going to take a day. The whole thing is gone.
Close the road down.
Everything is gone.
There's no solution. Yeah, let's close that whole place.
So, Gugu, do you have a contact for us at Rand Water?
I'm unable to give, but there's a spokesperson, media relations. If you open Rand Water, their contact details are there. I can't just remember the lady's name. She usually just talk. Yes. Yeah, I think
In terms of part
you can
solutions,
talk
in terms of part solutions, you guys need to start considering accepting communal support. Because clearly the problem is bigger than what you're telling us.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, I know you can't accept, but you need to start accepting. Perhaps even if it means creating a committee
Yeah.
where you invite communal skills. The skills are there. I'm listening to you. I have my own profession, and my profession relates to risk management. And I can listening to the process layout that you're giving. There's a gentleman that works on generators. These are also skills that you have.
Okay, but there won't be a point to run. That is the inlet to the pump. Before we start the pump, water must come out there just to tell us there's water. Then we can run. Here, this is where you've got your two drives. This is where you've got your two pumps. This is the system we rely on. You can see it's telling there's air in the system.
So that thing there, that leaky cloth, piece of cloth there, what is it doing?
For yellow.
It's just for the guys when they open their water will come out and they can quickly so that you don't spill.
It does